In front of me is OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then you can pick any of those themes by clicking on a perfect one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, tap on the same icon of a color palette, and this time use this plus under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you finished, select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and select apply. As I can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!